Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2014 Chevy Cruze LTZ with the RS package. Stock number Z6939A. 72,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. We sold this Cruze brand new, Summit White in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, 9-speaker Pioneer sound system, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, start, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. You can sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the controls. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6939A to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.